Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to this video. This video is going to be focused on sticker shock and how Louis Vuitton's $160 lipstick is sparking beauty community backlash. The luxury maison's makeup debut with Pat McGrath is facing harsh criticism over astronomical pricing that even loyal fans are not able to stomach. Just days after Louis Vuitton unveiled a highly anticipated beauty collection with makeup legend Pat McGrath, the internet has delivered its verdict. And it's not a pretty one. Online fans have already branded the $160 lipsticks and the $250 palettes as costly indulgence with some quipping. There's absolutely no reason for a lipstick to be costing $160, not even if it was laced with gold. That is what the beauty community is saying. Now let's discuss about the price point that is breaking the beauty world. Now at $160 per lipstick and $250 for an eyeshadow palette, the Louis Vuitton beauty line has set new benchmark for the luxury cosmetics pricing. The line is almost twice the price of the Hermes lipsticks at $80, which themselves raised eyebrows when they were debuted back in 2020. Even within the luxury beauty space, Louis Vuitton's pricing strategy represents what the industry experts are calling an aggressive test of consumer limits. As beauty analysts are pointing out at those prices, who's really buying? Louis Vuitton's debut makeup line will be one of the most expensive premium ranges on the market, and it will still likely appeal to a very narrow band of consumers. Social media is serving a reality check for Louis Vuitton. The beauty community's reaction has been swift and unforgiving. Others are rolling their eyes at the idea of luxury makeup no one can actually see once it's on, and with one commentator deadpanning that you're really not going to walk around holding the expensive palette. On the luxury fashion forums, even the devoted Louis Vuitton consumers are drawing a line. One Purse forum member is saying, "No, I will not be buying LV makeup. They will be super overpriced and I'll stick to the classics: Chanel, Dior, YSL, and sometimes Tom Ford." Another echoed the sentiment, "I'm sure Vuitton will be overpriced too." Now, this criticism extends beyond the price to the question of value. As one beauty enthusiast put it, when it comes to makeup, formula and pigmentation outweighs the packaging and marketing. If it's just the regular Pat McGrath eyeshadow palette in the Vuitton flower or her usual lipstick formula, I will not indulge and continue buying her regular line instead. We are seeing a situation wherein even beauty insiders are showing hesitation. Beauty publications, while praising the formulation, could not help but acknowledge the elephant in the room. They're saying that sure, $160 for a lipstick is certainly a splurge in this economy. The phrase has become emblematic of a broader conversation around luxury pricing during economic uncertainty. From Reddit threads to Diet Prada stock, the verdict is clear. Louis Vuitton beauty debut may be glamorous, but its price tag is generating more headlines than desire. And this brings us to the economics of exclusivity. Market analysts are suggesting that Louis Vuitton is banking on the lipstick effect, the economic theory that consumers splurge on small luxuries during uncertain times. However, the reaction suggests that they may have miscalculated what constitutes small in the current market. As the National also notes, as Europe grapples with an ongoing cost of living crisis, global uncertainty, and a dramatic downturn in the Chinese appetite for luxury goods, globally, consumers are delaying buying expensive luxury items, deterred by rising prices and concerns about falling quality. The industry stakes are also higher than ever. The backlash isn't about just makeup, it's about luxury brands reading the room. Louis Vuitton is up against an expertise of best makeup artists in the world. Some people will just pay for the branding, but it can't be just hype. The product has to live up to the expectation or they'll have only good sales at the launch. We have to understand that by pitching its beauty so high, Louis Vuitton risks alienating some potential clients. But it also signals supreme confidence by saying that if it was pricing lower, it would actually undersell the product. So what is the verdict? Is it luxury or is it lunacy? Now, while beauty editors who have tested the product praise the formulation and the packaging quality, the public discourse tells a very different story out here. The collection launches globally on August 29th, and sales figures will determine whether Louis Vuitton's bet on ultra premium pricing is going to pay off. For now, what we can say is that the beauty world is watching and waiting. Many of the wallets firmly closed and plenty to say about it online. That's what we wanted to share with you in this video. Hope you did like this video. Do stay tuned in for more.